So I'm back for another 3 days, 2 days in the woods. So I'm gonna spend 2 nights in the woods, just left. Just started walking. I don't know how heavy this is. Quite frankly, I don't really care, but no tent. It's gonna get warmer, so I don't really mind. Let's get up there. I got 4-kilometer hike to do. Woo! That's a tripod right here I was using. This is a spot along the trail, so I'm gonna sleep here tonight. Let's stomp this, put my poncho, go to sleep. So I kept my snowshoes here because it's still a little bit soft, and I'll use my my hammock chair to protect me just on top of me, just in case of my sleeping bag, but it shouldn't be a problem. Besides that, everything should be toasty warm tonight. Cleaning up this snow. Whoop! Outside. There we go. Get it, close it off. There we go. Put it there. Love the thermals. We're really not a comfortable beginning here because you just want to get warm in your sleeping bag and wear something dry against your body before you go to your sleeping bag. But I'm gonna wear something long johns, and I have very nice pants, polar pants, very warm Canadian Army polar pants. I'm gonna have even the Canadian Army base layer. If I want to be comfortable and have more heat, obviously I'm gonna put my hoodie and I'll be perfect. Yeah, it's pretty cold, but it's not that bad. I've been in -30. It's not that bad. Now I just gotta warm the blanket, the woobie I put inside, warm it up, warm the whole sleeping bag. Take some time, warm it up, and go to sleep. Now it's time to go to sleep. I'm really tired. I think I'm gonna get a good night's sleep. I hope so. Voilà le camp. So it's simple. I just use my wool blanket on the floor. I'm gonna wipe it out of all the snow when I put it back. Lantern on my tripod. When I came here with my dad, I made a fire here. We were sitting around there. Me and my dad were sitting around there. There was a fire here. Yeah, so it's in one of my videos. So let's go. I gotta make a fire. Absolutely. Not a small little pussy fire, like something very serious. Something to, make me cozy. So let's start looking for some big logs today. then make a fire comfortable, draw off my my sleeping bag a bit, you know, outside of the danger zone of the fire. I have to dry off the part here. I could use water bottles and put warm water in it and put it around where it's wet on my sleeping bag. It's not that bad. Let's go. And back at the bar. Wish it was some alcohol, huh? Oh, bar. Yeah. I'll tell you why I call that a bar. That's my floor mat there. So it's rolled up in that pouch. Fits well. It's a 3-season mat, but I like it because it's green. Okay. And yeah, back here. Cheers. Good morning. Didn't have breakfast. I just want to go up the hill. The last kilometer, I didn't feel like doing it last night. Just set up here really easily, fast. At 7:30, 8:30, 9 o'clock, I went to sleep. Oh, that's good. It's gonna help me. And I gotta dry my sleeping bag. I gotta do a few things, so gotta hurry up. Gotta warm and eat that pizza. Cheers, guys. So, as you can see, that is a 45-degree angle. I'm gonna make a straight cut here. Make sure it's cut straight. Right here. Alright. So the result is this. You can use that as a wedge if you need it. So it's straight here. Nice 45-degree angle. It's pretty straight cut underneath. Not that bad. A little too edgy, but that's good. It's 1/3 of the tree. That's 1/3 of the tree. Now we're gonna make a cut 1 inch over, and we're gonna stop at 1/10 of this here. 1/10, which means pretty much here. We're gonna leave like an inch over here. So when I cut on the top, there's still gonna be a little bit of wood, so I can decide when I push the tree or if I keep cutting. It's just a safety measure, you'll see. It's not too punky. You see inside of the wood, it's very nice. Okay, and it's a dead tree for sure. So this is the direction of my, I'll show you the direction. My gap here is in the direction of my camp down there. So all I have to do is do a notch in the back. So I think my escape route will be down there. So I'll be sawing on this side. Because once you did your cut, your back cut, you stay on the side that you were. You don't go in the back of the tree, you don't go in front of the tree. So this is what I've been taught for security, so I'll do it. And I want to teach you guys this. I want to show this because I think it's important for security in the woods when you're doing nice bushcraft days, and then, you know, it might end up pretty bad. So let's do this. Okay. Perfect. Here on top. Okay. Is it good? It's gonna go. Let's do it like that. Okay. See you later. That looks good. Yeah. All right. It's dangling. So what I'm gonna do, prepare myself to leave. And I'm gonna push it the direction I want. My cut is right here. It's over, at least like 1 inch over the cut here. And I'm gonna make it fall. Look at this. Very safely. Timber! Woo! Okay. This was supposed to be 1 inch. 1/10. It was bad. But anyways, it fell where I wanted to. And so guys, when you see these cuts, it means it's done by a logger. You know why you don't do this like that? You don't do it one straight shot? Because your saw is gonna get stuck, obviously. Then you won't be able to move it. So if you make that notch here, it's gonna make make it way easier for you. And this fire is going to be amazing. It's really dry, dead standing tree, safely cut. Thank you for watching. I know what you're going to say. He's saying, oh, he's taking too many videos of another fire scene. But as an example, I think it's worth showing. First of all, you pull out the tinder out of your pockets at the last minute with dry gloves, dry hands, whatever you can. I have a whole bunch here. Long pieces, like thick pieces, has to be broken down into smaller sections. Let's see. That should work. There you go. Please do. No. Yes. Good thing I have my toolbox here. I can put everything in it right away. Close it. I put all my tools in here. Very nice. So now, let's get that bark there. Boom. That's gonna do it. For sure, for sure. Well, it became a tradition. Yes. All dressed, baby. Oh yeah. Just like a bannock. Whoa. Oh yeah, that pizza's ready. Oh, breakfast. What time is it? It's like, what, noon? Should be noon, something like that. Is it hot? Still warm from yesterday. Good thing. Let's eat that. Oh yes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nice and juicy. Oh yeah. Close it. There you go. You're very good. I needed that. Whoa. Woo! Cheers. It's getting cold fast. Oh yeah. Melting somewhere, somehow, with some hot water, I guess. Gotta fill up my thermos. There you go. Alright. A little bit of chaga. Get that done. Perfect. You need really thick wood like this in the winter. So before it gets too dark, so for supper time I want a really hot fire so I can get ready for the night and then go to sleep. I don't need the fire while I'm sleeping, obviously. I just need to dry my stuff before I go to sleep. Pretty warm. Yeah. Boy, well, that's it. I'm gonna sleep. It's really early. I'm just gonna go to sleep now. Good night. Just light it up. There was one huge log left from last night, so there was some embers left. Took up a couple of branches, and here we go. Ready for the day. I'm really thirsty. Gotta get some food and get the hell out of here. Now that's drying, baby. Just because my poncho got wet from my condensation and my sweating from the sleeping bag needs to go out on my warmth and sweating. So obviously it got wet on the poncho when I was touching it. It's drying really nice. Yesterday I didn't feel like going to the stream just because I felt maybe the water's gonna be mucky like one of the times, and actually it wasn't. It was very, very, very clear water. One thing you have to be careful of, if you want to boil water or snow, sometimes snow goes on one side of the cooking pot and the other side is nothing, so it starts overheating the metal. So small things you have to worry about. Also with fire, you cannot have heat right away. With the long log fire, if you don't have any flames on your side, you won't have the coals on your side. So it's always a domino effect, or like a seesaw game, to put logs that are smoldering on your side and then the ones that are ready to burn at the right spot, basically. So you get lots of flames where you are on your side, and then you're gonna get more heat from the embers when it gets really warm. So on this I'm gonna serve myself a nice coffee, make some food, and leave. One trick I have, I bring lentils. I'm gonna boil some water. I'm gonna put some salt in chicken broth. Then I'm gonna make vegetable lentils broth. Can't wait for that. Yeah. Perfect. Let's get grab that. Not a crumb. Cowboy coffee. Excellent. Yes, Smithers, get me some sugar.